Welcome to this first program in the series Electrical Test Equipment. This is the overview program in which we shall discuss the why and what about electrical testing devices. During the program, you will be given time to discuss concepts with your course controller and to perform exercises in your workbook. To begin, we first discuss the question, what is an electrical test instrument? As you are aware, electricity cannot be seen, but it is evident due to the fact that we use it every day. You are also aware that electricity exists as either AC, alternating current, or DC, direct current. However, without some form of measuring or testing device, we cannot establish either the type of electricity nor its value. Therefore, an electrical test instrument is a device which proves the existence and measures the value of electricity on an electrical device. Let's begin with the simplest of testing instruments, namely a test lamp. A test lamp can, however, do only one thing. That is, it can only prove the existence of electricity in a circuit. In the demonstration, we are testing a DC supply. A safer method for testing an AC circuit is to use a probe tester, sometimes known as a live line tester. Probe testers prove the existence of an electrical voltage. Some also measure the value of available voltage. We shall cover the probe tester in more detail during Program 4 of this series. When any electrical circuit is on test, we are in fact trying to establish both the existence of electricity and the value of its characteristics, such as voltage or current flow in amperes. You already know that volts represent electrical potential or pressure. Voltage is measured by placing a voltmeter in parallel across the load or source. Amperage, on the other hand, is the measurement of electrical flow or volume. Amperage is measured with an ammeter. Note that ammeters are connected to a circuit in a series connection. A third type of electrical test instrument is essential for proper circuit testing, and that is a resistance tester, normally referred to as an ohm meter. Ohm meters are designed to measure the resistance of electrical components, such as resistors, coil windings, heating elements, and many other devices. An important point to remember is that ohm meters cannot be used on live circuits. The test leads of the instrument are connected across the test piece, and a small current generated by a battery within the meter passes through the test circuit. The meter responds to the resistive nature of the component or circuit on test and provides a reading in ohms. Nowadays, it is most usual to combine all three instruments into one meter box, which results in what we call a multimeter. One of the original manufacturers of multimeters is the well-known avometer. The letters A, V, and O representing amps, volts, and ohms. The principle of multimeters is to provide one handy instrument that can easily be switched to provide the functions of three or more different test instruments. More and more technicians today require robust and accurate multimeters that are fully portable. Such a meter is this digital multimeter made under the trade name of Fluke. A meter that displays with a needle or pointer over a scale is called an analog type meter. A meter that shows a liquid crystal display, or LCD, is known as a digital type meter. Let's break for a while as you discuss or examine various electrical test instruments in your place of work.